Alrighty guys, so today we are in a bit of a situation. As you can see, some wheels situation is going on, and let me explain what we're working with today and what's the goal. So as you can see, I bought quite a few sets of rims and all of them are a bit worn off, but the plan is revive them, give them a nice repaint detail, and then sell them for more. This obviously isn't one of my builds content, but that is something that I do on the side and it involves cars, so I guess why not. R18s, same whips from the third series. I paid 180 euros for the whole set. These are R19 different whips from third series as well, and I paid 330 euros for the whole set. So the plan is to revive all three of them, maybe two of them. I might keep these because they're not that tragic as the other two, and then make some profit. So first thing what we need to do is take these rims, bring them to my friend. He will remove the tires. Then I'll put all the tires here for the storage, and rims will go to another location where we will revive them basically. So let's take all of these, put them in my working car. I'll show you in a sec what it is. And yeah, let's do some logistics work. Here's the key from the working car, and yeah, here it is, the blue E46. Alright, so we're back to the first location. Rims are here, and as you can see, there's only one set of rims because the other one got sold straight from the place where we painted them. So first rims were bought for 180 euros. All the material needed for the repaint was around 50. And also the work of my friend, he took 50 euros for his time just doing that. So 280 in total, and they got sold for 350, so that's 70 euros profit from the first set, and this is the second one. I bought them for 320 euros, and same with the cost of repainting. Also in the total with the new center caps, with the new stickers, all the paint, all the clear coat and everything, it cost 100, so total 420 euros, and I'm about to sell them for 550. Let's see what happens. Alrighty, so I left the the rims and the tires at a place where they put them together, and yeah, I got a buyer. He just came to the place, took them, and paid $550 for that. So I bought them for $320. I spent $110 on removing tires, painting, getting the new center caps, and then I paid another €40 for putting back the tires on and doing the balance. So if my math's correct, that's €470 total, and I sold them for $550. So that's a nice €80 profit on the second set of rims. And complete process from buying the rims, getting them to paint, putting all the tires back and selling them took me around a week. So more than €100 as a side hustle for a week, not bad. So this pretty much concludes the video. Both sets of rims got sold, as you can see, and this is the process that you can do on your own. Just invest your own time, get some paint, get some sanding paper, and revive your own rims. Yeah, if you're interested more in all of this buying, selling, flipping thing, I have a different channel for that. I will leave a link to it in the description. And for now, thank you for watching. See you soon in the next ones.